Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a video call or audio call in Google Chat. Okay, first of all, you can open your Google Chat application on your phone, but if you haven't installed this Google Chat application, you can download it from Apple Store or Google Play Store. And here I have downloaded and installed the Google Chat application, so I'm going to open it. And after we have our Google Chat application opened, you can select an account you would like to call, and you can select the account on your room chat right here, or you can search for the account on the search button. And for example, I'm gonna go with this account. I'm going to call this account, so we can just click on the account. And if you want to start audio call, you can click on this call button, but if you want to start your video call, you just need to click on this video call button. And that's so simple, right? And okay guys, that's how we can make a video call or audio call in a Google Chat application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.